All right, we're on canopy number 2, and this one's gonna get a little rocky.
Thanks a lot. There you go. Saying stuff you don't need to say.
Remember, if a canopy pops, just hold on to it and climb up. Indiana Jones, think Indiana Jones. All right, and as you can see, we're going, we're going further up little by little. And I got a drop I'm gonna show you. It is so far down. Woo! Woo! Let me show you one right now.
But look at, they're using trees.
That is a long way down.
We have to distance those zip lines.
Yeah, unfortunately, you can't really see what's down there as far as nature. Lions, elephant, bears, snakes, anything. But you know that they're down there. So what you don't want to do is fall down there. Or be left over here late at night. Alright, and after that canopy, you kind of see it makes a move where it turns. And then it's heading back.
Nice bird call.
Alright, cool. So the second one feel much better?
Yeah.
Go ahead and shake it. Go ahead and shake it. Go ahead and shake it.
Scared?
Go ahead and shake it.
You got some chewing gums too.
Come on, what's the worst that could happen? Something bites you and then you jump out?
I was scared.
As you can see, we have everybody all packed together, everybody's shaking. Alright, Tenerico is coming, so now you know we gotta shake the canopy.
Oh no, don't do that.
Look at there. Right. Right. The same level as the communication power.
Whoa!
Don't do that.
Stop being scared. Move. I'm right behind you. Quit being crybabies, man. It's nothing.
Oh, a few people didn't make it.
A few people didn't make it.
Who didn't make it?
Everybody made it.
Everybody made it?
Yeah.
Kathleen tapped out. She got lost in the forest somewhere.
Okay, how many more we have?
We got about 5 more.
18.
6. Pablo, you know what bird that is?
Alright, and we're going to the highest point. Ooh, I love it, I love it, I love it. Family, I'm telling you, you love this walk. The hike is great, but once you get up to the canopy, that's even better. Because now you're able to just really have a broad spectrum of nature in this park. I'll just give you another drop. Woo, that is far down. And as you can see, it's getting rockier and rockier here in this canopy. Be careful, this thing is, it's a little rocky.
It's a little bit rough. Be careful. Lest you slip out.
And if you trip and you're about to fall over, just grab on and hold tight.
Hey, T! Is that sweat or is that be careful. Righteous? Yeah. You're still nervous. I can see. Yeah. Because I don't know. Me?
I crossed the third one before. I have the other end.
This Kojo can't come on this. Did you hear what I said?